How to prepare the site for the HP Stitch S1000 printer series. Before installing your HP Stitch S1000 printer, confirm the site meets the minimum space and configuration requirements. You will need a forklift or a crane to lower the printer from the truck. Check the width of the route between the unloading area of the printer and the installation site, including any corridors and doorways. All pathways must be at least 1.55 meters or 61 inches wide to transport the printer. Make sure you have the minimum required space needed to operate the printer. The production area floor must be able to withstand the weight and pressure of the printer. Remember that an electrician is required to set up and configure the building's electrical system, which is used to power and install the printer. See the site preparation guide for additional details, as different system configurations can be applied. To ensure the correct operation of the printer, your space will need adequate ventilation. The temperature, humidity, and temperature gradient during operation and storage must be kept within standard ranges. Fresh air ventilation is needed to maintain comfort levels. A minimum of 5 air changes per hour is required. An exhaust system will be installed with the printer, and HP recommends using it always. However, when the ink collector is used, the exhaust system needs to be connected. In addition, HP recommends conducting the exhaust air outside the room. The aerosol extractor provided contains only passive elements. The exit exhaust should be connected to your exhaust installation, ensuring an airflow between 300 and 450 milliliters per hour and a pressure between 1500 and 2500 per hour. To finish installing the printer, you will need a RIP, a set of supplies, and a roll of paper. A spectrophotometer may be useful. You will also need a compressed air supply for the pneumatic spindle, an Ethernet connection, and an Ethernet cable. Remember that you may need a calendaring machine for post-processing purposes. Do not plan for production during installation and training. The operator should be available for training during this period. Refer to the site preparation guide for additional information about the requirements necessary to prepare the site for your new HP Stitch S1000 printer.